Hi, I'm Mike Sandner with Pickrel, Schaeffer, and Ebeling. Robert Frost once wrote that good fences make good neighbors, and there's probably no other area of the law where that's more appropriate than with contracts. Contracts are simply written or oral agreements between two parties that establish a meeting of the minds and exchange some type of consideration or something of value. I often tell clients that contracts are communication tools that can help define the parties' expectations and obligations moving forward. That aside, despite the simple definition for contracts, frequently people do not have their documents reviewed and run into problems down the road where terms are not reasonably defined and end up frustrating their expectations and perhaps subjecting them to additional obligations that they did not foresee. There are many areas in the law where contracts are recommended and may even be required. Among those are real estate transactions, home repairs and renovations, purchases and acquisitions, covenants not to compete, confidentiality agreements, purchase terms and conditions, and warranties. In fact, there's probably no other more appropriate use of the adage, "An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure," than having someone on the front end review your contract documents to make sure that your expectations and obligations are preserved and defined. I typically review contracts for clients to make sure that they are committing to all that they intend and receiving all that they've bargained for. In addition, I also follow up with clients to make sure that once they have an appropriate form or agreement put in place, that they're actually using that agreement in their practice, that they're having it properly signed and executed, and that they're significantly making sure any amendments are also signed, executed, and maintained and preserved. If you have any questions about contracts for yourself individually or their use in your business, please contact me at the information below.